Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush. And today, we're going to be diving in with another Halloween look. Yes, Halloween is the day after tomorrow, and you know what? Them last minute Halloween looks are just it right now, especially for me, because I'm busy on the go all the time. Anyway, so today I did this fully airbrushed Hela Goddess of Death look, and I think it turned out really wonderful. So if you are interested in knowing how I got this look using all airbrush makeup, of course, then please keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, hello, and we need to do our face prep, okay? So I'm going to go in with Dinair liquid powder because I want to get all of the shine off of my face. If you've watched the movie Thor Ragnarok, you know that Hela's face is pretty matte, and I have really oily skin, so we need to remove that shine quick. Now that my face is shine free, let's go in with Dinair Neutralize and Camouflage shade Honey Beige mixed with Olive Beige, and I'm just going to go ahead and conceal everything on my face because Hela has really beautiful skin. Okay, we're talking blemish free, so that's where I need to be. And then I'm going to diffuse the ends of my brows. The hairs are sparse there, so it's going to be really easy to diffuse them out because her brows are also pointed outwards, not down. There we go, girl. Next, I'm going to go in with foundation, and here I'm using Dinair Soft Glow shades Honey Beige and Nutmeg mixed together. That's my normal foundation mixture. So if you recreate this look, just go ahead and use your normal foundation. Okay, now that we have our foundation done, let's go in with contour, and here I'm going to be taking Dinair Glamour shade Sepia. It is like the perfect tone for that shadowing effect. So I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my face all nice and snatched like, because you know the Goddess of Death has a snatched face, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and carve out the cheekbones, take in the forehead like so, and then I'm gonna go ahead and define the cheekbone contour all the way down to my jawline like so for that full-on slimming effect. I'll be contouring my chin as well, and then of course, you know, we gotta snatch the nose, so I'm gonna contour that all good like from the brows all the way to the tip of my nose. Yes. Alright, so next, eyes. Zoom in. Dinair Glamour shade Nova is the first shade that we're going to lay down. It's a beautiful deep purple plummy hue, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that like so, applying very lightly first and then building up as you see here. I want to make sure that I have the right shape and the right details, you know. Yeah. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair Glamour shade Fawn Brown to deepen that dead look effect just to the transition area and blend it on the under eye area like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with Dinair Glamour shade Marsala for that red tone. You know, we want to mimic a little bit of bruising here underneath the black that we're going to lay down later. So just layers to build depth and dimension. You know I love me some dimension. Then I'm going to go back in with Dinair Glamour shade Nova and just intensify the outer rim of my shading here. Because like I said, you know, we need dimension for this look. Adding in small details as I go. You know. There we go. Next, it's time to go in with Dinair Glamour shaded Jet Black, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over the lid like so, pretty much stopping for the most part at the natural fold of my lid. So I'm just going to go ahead and build until I reach the amount of depth that I'm looking for, and then I'm going to apply it to the lower lash line. We're going to do some shading all over those other shades that I laid down. Just a little bit messy, but then at the same time strategically placing it. Then I'm going to go ahead and define the lower lash line just by using a shield just to make it a little bit more bold. And this is good, yeah. Alright, so next is brows, and here I'm going to go in with Dinair Colair Brow shade Dark Smoke and my 8C stencil. Now Hela's brows are shaped a little bit differently than I normally shape my brows, so you'll see my technique is pretty much the same as my normal brow technique, it's just the shape is redefined. Next I'm going to go in with Dinair Glamour shaded Jet Black once again and add a little bit more depth and dimension to the shadow. Because we have a little bit more purple, we need a little bit more black, okay? Alright, and as you can see, when I stretch my eyes, there are blank spaces there because I didn't stretch the skin when I was applying the shade down initially. So this can happen if you have a lot of texture around the eye area. So you just want to go ahead and stretch the skin and fill in like so. So we're going to do this on the bottom of the eye as well as on the lid. As well as on the lid. Yeah. And make sure to use the air to dry. There you go. Now for the neck and chest piece. So here I'm using Dinair matte shade Wasabi to go ahead and outline the green detailing on her suit. I do not have the costume, so I'm using my airbrush to go ahead and paint it on. So just take your time with this, go ahead and outline the shape first, and then we'll redefine the lines once we have the initial detailing. Alright, so now that I have the initial shape down, I'm going to go ahead and intensify the shade using Dinair Shimmer shade Emerald Green mixed with Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black, because her green was a little bit more poppin' on her suit. Then I'm going to go ahead and define the lines using Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and the aid of stencils to get those nice, beautiful, sharp edges. Now this takes some time, but it's definitely worth it, and it adds for a really fun effect. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the rest using Jet Black. Alright, so now my neck piece is all good and stuff. We're going to go on with the lips. So first things first, I'm going to lay down Rimmel London's Lasting Finish Lip Liner in the shade Natural. And then go ahead and fill them in. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair Liquid Lipstick shade Berry Kiss and just dab a little bit on the center and then smear them around until I get the right amount of color distributed on my lips. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take Rimmel London Lasting Finish shade Natural one more time and redefine the outline of the lips like so. And make sure everything's nice and blended together. Yeah, I think I got that right. I'm very happy with that. And this is the finished look. Yes, all Goddess of Death sultry-like. Alright, and this is the finished look. What do you guys think? How did I do? I think I did pretty good. You know, Hela doesn't have this hair bling, but you know, I'm using hair bling for another tutorial. So, you know, we just kept it in. But you know, it looks good, so I ain't mad at it. Anyways, this look was super quick and super easy. I definitely recommend you give it a try if you are looking for that last minute Halloween look. This one is super quick, super easy. It's mostly messy, so you know, you don't have to worry about the fine-tuned details at all. But yeah, I absolutely love how it came down, and I definitely hope it inspires you to be the Goddess of Death this year for Halloween. Anyways, that is it for this video. I want to thank you so much again for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, or if you choose to subscribe today, don't forget to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. All right, loves, thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.